can you grab me the roller, please? Okay, now one thing you have to keep in mind is we put it on, but it's not going to really adhere to it unless you roll it out. So one of the biggest things is ensuring that this is rolled. The material we're going against is plywood, and another key issue is putting it in the cold weather. It does not really make it adhere to it, or when it is got moisture on it. I'm just going to roll this out to ensure that it's got good adhesion. And also roll out my trough of my window to ensure we have good adhesion there. Okay, so now our window is prepped, ready to install our window. When we come back, we will be showing you how the window installation will be placed.